Is your 2005-2008 Chevy Uplander key fob not working? A dead battery is the likely culprit. This video will guide you through a simple DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money. The Uplander fob uses a CR2032 battery, easily replaceable at home. The Chevy Uplander key fob is a two-button remote used for locking and unlocking the vehicle, as well as activating the panic alarm. It operates on a low-power RF signal to communicate with the vehicle. The key fob is powered by a 3-volt CR2032 battery. Knowing this battery type is key for a quick replacement. For replacing the key fob battery, you'll need just a few basic tools. Start with a small flathead screwdriver to pry open the fob. You'll also need a new CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, which is the standard type for this key fob. An anti-static wrist strap is optional but recommended to prevent static electricity from damaging the fob's electronics. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam on the side of the key fob. Gently pry it open, separating the two halves. Avoid using excessive force, which could damage the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, locate the CR2032 battery inside. Note its orientation. The positive side is typically up. Always check for any markings on the circuit board. Carefully remove the old battery from the fob. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's securely seated with the correct polarity, positive side up. CR2032 batteries can be purchased for under $5 at stores like Walmart, Amazon, and other retailers. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring they are firmly closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your vehicle to confirm it locks and unlocks the doors. Replacement is typically successful without issue. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, it may need reprogramming. Start by cycling the ignition key to the on position 10 times. Turn the ignition key to on position 10 times. Then press the lock button on the fob. If problems persist, consult your owner's manual or a professional mechanic. Always double-check the battery polarity before closing the fob to ensure proper installation and avoid damage. Cold weather can drain batteries faster, so consider replacing them every 1 to 2 years to prevent failures. While physical fobs are common on older models like the Uplander, newer vehicles are integrating smartphone apps for remote functions, potentially making battery replacements obsolete in the future.